Hi, I'm Jen, President and CEO of the Chiropractic Educational Network. We've been training and empowering chiropractic assistants for over 35 years and are the proud hosts of the CCPA licensure program. Our licensure program is a game changer, packed with 12 dynamic modules designed to turn you into a master of all things chiropractic office related. Class 12 is the last instructional class of the CCPA program before you take your state board exams. Anyone with a healthcare license in the state of Florida must complete a course on HIV and AIDS. Class 12 is where we meet that requirement. We will tie everything together that you've learned in the previous 11 modules and will walk you step by step through the licensing exam process, as well as specific information on how to apply for your CCPA license. To learn more about the CCPA program and what we have to offer, visit our website at chiropracticeducationalnetwork.com. Your future starts here.